And y'all better come when I call y'all. We're down here at the New River. This is in a town called Narrows, Virginia. The river's up a little bit. They've actually got a cheap camping spot right down the road. Camp Success. And this might bear further. And the dogs are sniffing Narrows, Virginia. They just love to go sniffing. These dogs have now sniffed in Virginia, Ohio, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina. Oh, Lord. All right. Stella. Stella. Good girl. Good girl. You stay within my sight. Oh, here they come. They are so happy when they're running around like this. Would use my other camera, but it's drizzling a little bit. Well, I didn't have any storms yesterday in Berea, but had one in Alliance, and now this little shower. It's not even a thunderstorm. Princess, get out of that! I don't know what that is. What it? Oh, that's poop. Princess, really? Stella, Princess, back here. Stella, Stella, come on. Princess, Princess, come on back. Stella, good girls, good girls. This is what they come on these. Princess? No. Princess! Princess! No. Come on. You getting close to be put back in the car. I'm gonna be putting you in the car, hardhead. You hard-headed. You are. I don't care. Stella being better than you is. That's the river. Pretty big river. This river will going down to Christiansburg and such. Eventually, I think it turns into the Roanoke River, at least tributary to it. Don't you dare lick me for the rest of the day. That's nasty. Goodness gracious. And Prince is doing the same thing. You don't need to be licking me either. Yeah, hey. Stella. Chill. Princess. Princess. Come on this way. Stella. 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 Stella, come on. No, you don't need to be messing with whatever that is. Come on. Stella, this way. Stella. Stella. Get over here. Now she's going to go find somebody to use the bathroom, so she'll have an excuse. She is so ridiculous. Hardhead. Well, if y'all want to get some water, it's be time to do it. Oh, mosquitoes are out here. Look at that scenery. Yeah, we're on the southwest fringe of Virginia, not too far away from the West Virginia line. And through there. Come on, girls. All right, I'm gonna. This is the New River in Narrows, Virginia, in the mountains. And you feel better, Stella? Good girl. They're my two puppies. And we're just out here exploring it on the last day, official day of my vacation. Tomorrow's going to be a rest day. And starring Stella right there, and Princess.